Hello guys! In this video, I will share with you how to restore deleted photo files on Windows 11. If you have just deleted a photo file, then you can restore it again using the method I share in this video. Here I will give an example of one of the photo files that I will delete, and I will restore it again. If the file has just been deleted, to restore it again, you just press the Ctrl and Z buttons, then the photo file will come back again. But what if the file cannot be restored by pressing the Ctrl and Z keys on the keyboard? You can do the second method. Here you can filter the files you want to return in the form of file type, file location, date, and so on. If you have found the file, you can immediately click on the file, then right-click on the file, then click Restore.